Hi friends, I welcome you all on my channel Technical Bharat. If you have not yet subscribe my channel and press bell icon to know my latest videos. Hi friends, I will tell today about how to use mobile as your webcam. Most of the people have laptops and computers at their home, but they don't have webcams. So most of the people purchase the webcams. But today I will give you one trick that you will save your money. So subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends. So I will start now. This video is not fake. Most of the people on YouTube do fake videos. So this is 1000% correct video. It's not fake. I will show you how to use your mobile as webcam. So you need to install your application in mobile as well as PC. So I will show you. I will also give the link of the apps in description box. So like and share this video please. First, you have to install one application on your mobile. So let's get to mobile. First, everyone has Play Store in their mobile. So open Play Store. When you open Play Store, then search for Droidcam. D-R-O-I-D. Droidcam wireless webcam. So it is installed on my mobile. You installed it. So let's get through to our PC. We have to download one software to our PC. I will show you how to download the software. First, open one browser. You can open Chrome also. Chrome is one of the most browser. So search here. Type here BEV47 apps apps.com. So this interface will come. Then scroll down. This app is also for Linux, Windows. So if you have Linux, then click here. I have Windows, so I will click here. See, this type of interface will show. Then we have to click here. If you have iPhone, so click here. Or if you don't have iPhone, then click here. See, the downloading has started. I will show you. See, the setup has been downloaded. It is of 1.5 MB. It is so of cheap size. So after downloading the setup, this is setup. After downloading the setup, double click on it and you will see this interface opens. So click yes. Please close Droidcam silent and click yes to update. See, this type of interface will show you. So click yes on it. After clicking yes, it will start downloading. See, it will take time. Then it will show that reboot your computer. So I will show you after rebooting my computer. After rebooting your computer, you will see that the app is installed. So double click on it to open it. See, you will see this type of interface. So I will show you how to connect using Wi-Fi. So let's see. So we will first we have installed the Droidcam app in your Android. So we will open this app. then we will see the IP address here 192.168.0.102. Here you type that IP address same to same and click on start. After clicking on start, see, so here is the Wi-Fi IP. So copy this Wi-Fi IP and paste in its the device IP. So click on video and audio and then start. Then see, this type of interface will appear. See, is the screen available? See, it is 100% working. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe my channel. So thank you.